In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make GeForce Now run smoother if your gameplay feels laggy, blurry, or inconsistent. A few simple setting changes can make a big difference. The goal here is to improve stability and reduce interruptions, especially if your stream keeps stuttering during gameplay. These adjustments are quick to make, and one of them is especially important if you want the smoothest possible experience. The first thing to do is switch to a wired internet connection using Ethernet. Plug a LAN cable directly into your PC so your connection goes straight to your router instead of relying on wireless signal strength. This is usually the most important fix for smooth play because Ethernet is far more stable than Wi-Fi. A wired connection helps reduce packet loss, random latency spikes, and small connection drops that can cause GeForce Now to feel choppy even if your internet speed looks fine on paper. Once the cable is connected, turn off Wi-Fi on your computer. This helps make sure your system is actually using the wired connection and not switching between networks in the background. After that, restart GeForce Now. This gives the app a chance to detect the more stable connection properly and start fresh with the new network setup. If you only do one thing from this video, make it this step because it often has the biggest impact on overall smoothness. Next, open GeForce Now and go into the Settings menu. Find the server location option and choose Auto, or manually select the region that is closest to you. This matters because the closer the server is, the lower your latency is likely to be. Lower latency generally means more responsive controls and a smoother stream. If Auto is working well, you can leave it there, but if performance feels off, choosing the nearest region yourself can sometimes give better results. Finally, stay in Settings and open Streaming Quality. Change it to Custom so you can adjust the stream for better performance. Set the resolution to 1080p or 720p, depending on how stable your connection is. If you're getting stutters, dropping to 720p can make the stream much easier to handle. Set FPS to 60 for smoother motion, then set the bitrate to auto or lower it manually if needed. Lower bitrate reduces the amount of data being streamed, which can help if your connection struggles to stay consistent. With these changes, GeForce Now should feel a lot smoother and more reliable, especially during fast-paced gameplay.